hands together for Funnybone. Boom! Hey! Now me they clap. Now me they call. Now no clap.
Say finish.
Wait. If you like me cause on a problem, Abi. Come, the country hard for all of us, so I go back now. Forget your problem. Clap. I'm here to help you.
Yes, he's a laugh doctor. Ladies and gentlemen, second time around, coming on stage, heavyweight champion, sold out a hotel, and is ready to kill it tonight. Give it up for my friend, my brother, my colleague. He goes by the name Funnybone.
Kill it. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Talk don't knock now. Mona clap for Helen Paul, I beg. Mona clap for Helen Paul. I mean, it's not easy, you know. Person wife. We don't born for marriage. Come perform. Come on, weak. Even if clap for the weak. Country hard. I know this thing only this side they spray. Small thing will not go just spray. Small thing will not go just spray. Unanka? May we spray una? Because I don't understand. All the spray from here. That's why bro say we are going to face this side. One corner. This side, no be corner. When I draw this, I've been at this one. Okay, this one I didn't buy the actual table. My guys, nothing there, have you? When I just try to do, just release something. You go. Nice. Chairman, you're smiling. They are not smiling. Okay, now you pay for the table. These are your fans. You know, saying I who pay for table, they laugh. The rest, they. Because if you invest, it will affect them. You know. Now they divide Nigeria by ourselves. We don't know. For church, big men, they front. Regular people, they back. For show. For laughter, come on, laugh again. Our guys. Meanwhile, now the same laugh. Una laugh, pass their laugh. Una no they laugh. No be una. Una no they laugh. Difference there. But hustle hard, hustle. So you can come. Not be say we not appreciate you now. But you see, all this show to plan them, it costs. So now there are money we need to grow. But on our laugh for back, they keep us for this business. Because if we they do this work by these people here, some of us don't go do our real work. AY for them be thief. You understand? So now on our laughter, they give us joy. And now for only Lagos and Port Harcourt, this in the work. Oh. Leave my own now. Meanwhile, table you know they, regular you know they, you dey window. They shout, come on, get out. Not the sub person. All these things when they say but now for here they work Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja. Why? Money day, small oil day. So things to throw around day. Abibo, Anambra State, Nnewi South, from Amici. If you do show for Anambra, do table. Hey, Now forget that they analyze them. Go ahead, Misha. Why? Yeah. You go level side there. On it? 5,000. Okay. That one. 500. Or naira 1,000. 500,000. Kukwela. Okay, be my jogging. The amu. I got more here. And I got more now. Or the iche. You're saying no. The same laugh. Okay, piano. I got nothing. So now for here they work. So we appreciate you guys. Please don't stop buying. We need you to move. You know. Then let's go for that boy. That small boy, I beg. That small boy. Nice. Nice. Talent. Nice. But I don't believe say that boy. That small boy. The control where that boy gets. Like Joe. In a go table to know. That boy feels small for age. But in mind, not 34. No, that boy not man. A real man. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you see, life those days, better pass. 84, 85, 86, 91, 92, 94, 95, 96, 97, 99. Now you stop. Those days, women get fear factor. If you call girl those days, psst, what's your name? Mostly, girls will be Igbo. What's your name? You go here. Hey. What's your name? I don't know. Where do you stay? Kebu Nubi. I remember gave you a knee. Can I have your address? Or can I have your phone number? Hey, Mbao. My mother say, if I give my number, I'll get pregnant too. That was nowadays, all these end time children. Now you go call them all. Now again go look you finish. Tell him friend, wow. Sure, my dad guy I like him. I will talk to him. Nabia, do you like me? Nana demand oh baby. Baby, I don't know. So now we dey fear now. Now we dey fear now. You know. And the kind of song where did they sing for this country now? It don't show for this world. It don't tire me. I doubt if some of us go live long. Because the song over here, it affects. How can somebody sing? The thing goes pa 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 pa. Skia. Boom. Boom 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 boom. Person sing one corner. I think that song no go come here. It don't come. One where the US, son of late Pericoma. Who know Pericoma here? Pericoma. Onanua. You don't say that boy will sing, I take a step. Bang. I take another step. One more step. Now in first song, no. So if you are dancing that song, you are dancing with your destiny. Oh. The man na juju man. Oh. Nonsense. And I tell people, woman, only you no fit get everything. Nobody complete. Every man get deficiency. Man we fine for face. Fee no get money. Man we get money. Fee no fine. Bros are lie. You understand the joke? No. I'm not saying he's not fine. But example, you hold. But you know, on this side you are just there. That's life for you. Do you understand? Man with tall fit for this side. You know tall. But man with short for this side. If you long. That's life. Woman will get front, no get back. Woman will get back, no get front. Woman will get front, get back, no get sense. Only you no fit get everything. Our God is not a partial. He dey share them turn by turn. Inwenka, it happen ka. Inwenka. That is life. Do you understand? Now, before I go, my dad was a driver. No, my address is on first before I go. Evans matter. You know, I know computer cause when it rain, but man, just talk am now. They say, Evans is Igbo. Hey, Igbo kidnapping. Hey, shut up. This kidnapping. Maybe we start a more. No, Igbo people start kidnapping, no. Igbos, we say, we dey watch. Once una start, we go help una. Am I making sense? Kidnapping start for this area. Or Igbo start a loss for where? Igbos dey watch una. Umuaka, Nna chukuma. Mbaye business, 2 billion. Worry boys begin abuse kidnapping. Start collect 10,000. Igbo boys will get shop. They say, Maka warm nana. 10,000. So as Evans enter, see mansion now, he just Evans no they collect money in naira, in dollars. Not dollars, dollars. And they pay ego na aba. Now that's the Igbo man for you. We are smart. When outside people start to throw, Igbos they what? Oh, na try mo. Chukuma, throw bomb. Oh, if Igbos enter bombing now, na class oh, where they from? Now okay, one. ENGI is bomb chaka boom. AK-42 paddle. Inania, Egweji. We will add pride. Alpha. When I no go spray, I go spray now. Mona, come. Where that woman? We come first start the spraying. She don't go. Oh, Nari is a sister. Okay, now family business. She attract others. Not really hold something. Bros, chairman. Just, oh yeah, sorry. You fine. Spray me. Just spray me. Just spray me. May no cause quarrel. Now joke. Now you don't want to spray me. I might go on that place now. Anybody here? Even from on our face, transport self not in the hand. Man, crack my joke, I beg. Now, before I go, my dad, now Igbo. this boy from the window again. Get out. Get out. I dey perform for people, not individual. So as I was saying, my dad, na Igbo. Now my dad na driver. Who do yeah? Who do yeah? Now your father. What's that? Am I begging you? Now my papa live on a driver. Now my dad been there work 2 life story, no jokes. Work for Chisco Motors, driver. My dad they leave Kaduna 7 p.m. hit on it at 2 a.m. Fast driver, smart guy, no jokes. No jokes, no jokes, no jokes, you know. And I'm proud of it. Yeah, my dad was a driver. Now, my dad best friend too, na driver. Now your father best friend. So by virtue of that friendship, my mama and now my dad friend, mama, na best friend. Now, my father, when it comes to family work, I mean, when the travel go, come back. Because our house now 1 room, now cutting, demarcate parlor and bedroom. When my father come back, he dey deliver for my mother's side well. Because when they tie the same wrapper, that means say that night, action. So, would they hear, hey, mpatigo, ibomo, abuamo, hewu, nejemia, nyobemia. So my dad na killer. But that my father friend, in wife, the time my mom say, Guanudim, Guadim, or they metamaka, Ajamunja wani, Kedia Maria, in English, tell my husband, you know they touch me. I'm not fine again. Make him touch me. My mother, call my father. Mpatiguna, Pieba, give me your friend. Guanya, Oronabani, Yamatuniaka. I am here. That's one yive. In English, what is wrong? Talk to your friend. Make it touch your wife. Then they marry him. Give him this thing. Now your wife. She's your own. I did there. And I small. For their mind. I don't know anything. My father said, fine. He called him friend. Enya, can you make here? In Apwara. She's your wife. At night, moving. At night, moving. Yeah. I did here. And I small. For their mind. The guy said, can you make here? What's it? What happened? Or they timbu. 1 year. And they timbu. Mbua. Ona masim. In English, leave my wife for night. If I do. For night. If I do. She heard the shout. Tell her. Say that shout. No, my pleasure. I love it. Make it shout. I did here. And I small. For their mind. My father, in turn, call my mother. 1 year. Be able. When did you want? Did not complain. What's in Abani? Hometiaka or the Timbu? 1 year. Habania. Hometiaka. Yati bamboo. Yati bamboo. What I like here. In English, madam, tell your friend. Her husband, tell me say for night. If they do them, she know they shout. That shout, in like her. I did here. And I small for their mind. My mother call her friend. Nketika. Beba. Digise. Oro naban. Oswo gife. Ide tikbu. Nabania. Obiegaka. Chediembu. In English, the husband say, for night. If he touch you, no they shout. This night. Shout. This night. This night, oh. I did here. And I small for their mind. My mother, the friend shout, "Ew! Okwasi ma dating bo. Okwa nabania. Nabania. If I didn't know you, man. In English, he say, another shout abi, this night. Oh. This night, all of una go hear my voice. I did here, and I small for their mind. 7 knock, the man bath, in wife bath. The man never do anything. The man never even come out trousers to start the work. The wife starts. Hey, ne sumi fa. Akwisi ma de timbo. Hey, tibe mia. Hey, in Igbo. Good night.